Can you imagine what it'd be like if you could spend $1 on marketing and make $100 back? I'm gonna show you guys how we do that. Is Facebook even still a thing? Are Facebook ads even worth it, or should you spend more of your time and money into things like Instagram and TikTok? My name is Tariq and I help regular people start and grow their businesses online. Like and subscribe to my channel so you can learn more quick tips on how to grow your business online. Now, this is actually a very big question these days because TikTok is going up and Instagram, you got all these new things. And should you even be bothering with Facebook still, or is that like for old people? Facebook can actually be very, very effective for businesses for one very, very important reason: Instagram. Facebook actually owns Instagram. So if you run ads on Facebook, you're actually targeting people on Instagram. Now, if you go ahead and you post something on Facebook, you're barely gonna get any engagement, right? Instagram, you're gonna get a ton of engagement compared to Facebook. So the two platforms are very, very different, but they really, really do work together. I'm gonna show you guys some examples of how some of our clients are getting returns of up to $100 back for every $1 spent. This is a company we manage. They spent $300 in the last 30 days on this campaign, and they made $24,000. You guys imagine what it'd be like to spend $300 and make 24 grand? That's a return of 82 to 1. ROAS is return on ad spend. That's like spending $1 to get $82 back. It's amazing. Let's check out another one. This company spent $123 to make $11,000. Less money, but also less spend. So they got a return of 95 to 1. ROAS of 95. That's insane. This company spent $90 in the last 30 days, just $90, made over 8 grand. Over 8 grand from just $90 in advertising spend. 98 return on ad spend. For every $1, imagine having an ATM machine. You put $1 in, 98 bucks comes off. And this last company, oh my God, last 30 days, spent $99, made over 10K. A ROAS of over 104. Can you imagine what it'd be like to be able to put $1 in and get $100 back? We'd be doing that all day, right? That is the power of Facebook ads once it's implemented correctly. So you see, those are some crazy numbers that you can make with Facebook and Instagram ads. So you're probably like, Tariq, I have no idea where to get started. How do I even do this? We actually offer this as a service. So if you're ready to go big and hire somebody to do it for you and get those kind of numbers, then definitely hire us. There's a link in the description. We can do that. If you just want to go ahead and give it a shot on your own, I do have a Facebook ads crash course that I have in the description as well. And I also offer a Facebook ads masterclass where you can learn how to run your own Facebook and Instagram ads, everything from installing the pixel to going ahead and running those retargeting ads and doing all that. So I hope this was helpful, guys. Yes, Facebook ads can be very, very effective right now, especially if you integrate it with everything. You just have to be smarter. You got to stay ahead of the game these days, and there's tons of money to be made in Facebook ads. So don't leave any of that on the table.